Northwest Trojans, how's it going? This is Mr. Mead. I'm here to talk to you all today about going out for wrestling here at Northwest. Wrestling for boys, our male sports will start next Tuesday, January 17th, right after school. We usually do like 15 minutes or 15 minutes after the bell, so 4:15 to about 5:45. That will be all the way through spring break. Or to spring break, and no previous wrestling knowledge is required. If we look at our website, if you go onto our athletics page at Northwest Junior High, iowacitschools.org, what you will find is boys wrestling starts January 17th. The girls will start the week following. Okay, you guys will be practicing in the morning on Tuesday the 24th, I believe. We've asked you to bring wrestling shoes. We want a clean pair of clothing every single day. So it's best to wear like athletic shorts or sweatpants and a t-shirt. You're going to get hot. You're going to get sweaty. And you want to have clean clothes every single day. Wrestling is a hygienic sport. You're going to be in close contact with other people. So personal hygiene is a must. We do ask you to shower every single night before you come back to school the next day as well, and wash your clothes. Don't stick them in your locker. That's yucky. Okay, what you need also is a physical form and permission to practice and your heads-up concussion. That can be turned into Miss Rios in the office, or you can fax that to 319-688-1069. I'll be coaching with Mr. Keel. Coach Keel, he also coached football, so a lot of you know him, and he coached track, I believe, last year as well. Coach Keel's been around for a long time. He's a great guy, and we work really well together, have lots of fun. So it'll be another great year. This year, ladies, Miss Carlo, or you may know as Miss Sally, will be the female wrestling coach here at Northwest Junior High. We are super excited. We want to get as many girls out on the wrestling team as possible. We backed up the start date so that basketball's conflict would be much less. This is the inaugural season for girls. So what that means, it's the first season it's ever been sanctioned in the state of Iowa to have a Northwest Trojan wrestling team. And we want you to be a part of it. We need all of our female leaders to be out there and be a part of this, get this thing kicked off to show everybody else in the state how awesome we are, because we are. All right. So, and also Mr. Van Dyke will be also coaching. He is a PE teacher at Liberty High School. He's also wrestled most of his life, and he's also the father of one of our students here at Northwest. So that'll be awesome that his knowledge is coming back to the building, as he's coached here before with us as well. Our schedule is our first date of competition is February 7th. And again, I said there's no prerequisite required. You don't have to know wrestling. We'll teach you everything from the ground up, from stances, starts, all the way into some more complicated moves by the end of the season. So Tuesday, February 7th, we go to Franklin. That goes all the way through. The high school state tournament is February 16th. So when you look at that schedule, that is not a state tournament we go to. That is for the high schoolers only. So it's on there because we don't have competition that Thursday. And then we go all the way to March 9th. That's the week prior to spring break. Then we're done. So, an 8-week season, 2 weeks leading up to it. Lots of fun. If you've never tried wrestling, it's one of the most rewarding sports, and it will help you in a lot of other sports. You need strength, you need endurance, and it'll teach you a lot about yourself for sure. So if you have any questions, please reach out to me, Mr. Mead, in 202, or Miss Sally, and she can help you out. Girls, we're really excited about this opportunity. 2 brand new coaches just for the female team. So let's kick this thing off. Trojans, you're awesome. Have a great one. Happy New Year, and stay true.